This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Roble. This lovely Onyx floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, den/office, 3-car garage, 3 full baths and an amazing open space for entertaining. Why wait and build when you can move into this stunning home that was just completed in 2023 with $20,000 in upgrades? Tile flooring throughout, ceiling fans, large kitchen island with quartz counters. Master suite, with dual sinks, large walk-in closet and walk-in shower. The sliding glass doors in the great room and kitchen open to an extended lanai. Large, oversized laundry room with tons of storage space. Custom lighting throughout. Enjoy a gated community, clubhouse, playground, dog parks, community swimming pool, fitness center. Close to beaches, UTC Mall, Downtown Waterside Place, Lakewood Ranch Downtown, Tampa and Sarasota airports. For more information, review the details below.